Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for July 17th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Nina Whittle. In our top news story, Valeant Pharmaceuticals entered into a definitive agreement to acquire Amoun Pharmaceutical for approximately $800 million plus contingent payments. Valeant, which seeks to expand in the broader Middle East and North Africa pharmaceutical market, expects the transaction to close in the third quarter. Also in the news, the FDA accorded orphan drug designation to AbbVie and C2N Diagnostics' experimental recombinant humanized anti-tau antibody C2N8E12 for the treatment of progressive supranuclear palsy. The companies also said they initiated a phase 1 clinical study of the drug in patients with progressive supranuclear palsy. In addition, Recro Pharma reported that its intranasal therapy Dex-IN met the primary endpoint of a phase 2 trial showing significant pain relief versus placebo over 48 hours in adults undergoing bunionectomy surgery. Recro Pharma plans to discuss the latest results with the FDA and determine what additional information may be required to proceed to a phase 3 trial for the therapy. Also featured, AstraZeneca has completed its agreement with Tillotts Pharma for the divestment of global rights outside the US to the gastroenterology drug Entocort for patients with mild to moderate Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. Upon completion of the transaction, Tillotts paid AstraZeneca $215 million for the rights to sell and develop Entocort capsules and enema formulations outside the US. And finally, Amgen announced top-line results of a phase 2 study evaluating the efficacy and safety of Blincyto in adults with relapsed or refractory Philadelphia chromosome-positive B-cell precursor acute lymphoblastic leukemia. Study data showed Blincyto induced a complete remission or complete remission with partial hematological recovery within 2 cycles of treatment in a clinically meaningful number of patients. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.